Hello guys, this video is about how to connect Hipergator and use a kernel we made, and you guys can use that kernel for your homework and project. So I think you guys already get into the on-demand because there's a video about that in week 2. So if you haven't seen that, so go back to the week 2 and you can find the video about how to use the on-demand. So when you are here on demand site, so you just hit the interactive apps and hit Jupyter Notebook here. So here, so number of CPU should be 1 and maximum memory request it should be 1. So it means you can use 1 gigabytes. And then your Slumber count is a cat4641, QoS is cat4641, and time, I just put the 4 hours, but you can change. And then the cluster partition is set as default. So let's launch our Jupyter. So your work is queued and you just need to wait for a minute. After a minute, you can see the button connect to Jupyter. So starting, so you can just hit this blue button, connect to Jupyter. So when you get into the Jupyter, you can see a lot of kernels. So what I'm gonna do is put our cat4641 project kernel inside of your local machine here. So to do that, let's go to the Hipergator with your account. So put your UFID at hypergatorrc.ufl.edu. Yeah, you need to put SSH here. This is important. We use SSH to get into the Hypergator here, and then put your password here and two-factor login, and you're in the Hypergator. So before we start, like a copy the kernel to your local machine, we need to check whether you have your directory with your UFID under cat4641. So to do that, you need to change your directory. So cd.blue.cat4641. So here it is. Let's see what kind of directory they have. So here's the thing. Some students who didn't have the Hypergator account before this class, they might have their directory under here. However, the student who already had a Hypergator account before this class, so they might not have a directory under with their name. So in that case, you guys need to make the folder with your names. Here it is. My UFID is YOUMS, but I can't see my directory here. So I need to make my directory. So using the mkdir and YOUMS. So simply, I can make my directory under cat4641. So we are all ready for the copy our kernel to your local machine. So in here, you just hit the CD, and in here, you need to make a symbolic link with this command. So this is where you the path for your directory under cat4641, and then this is the name of like a symbolic link. So I highly suggest make like a cat4641 and dash your UFID here. So hit this here. All right, you make a symbolic link, and then the next thing is copy the kernel to your local machine, and you can see that our kernel to inside of the on-demand on your machine. So to do that, So this command will provide you provide you guys, and then copy this. So yeah, so just hit this. We're all set. Everything's copied to your own directory. All right. So let's go back to on demand. So let's just refresh this page. Now you can see cat4641 projects kernel. So you can just hit this button. You can start your own IPYNB file under this kernel. So you can just hit this part and then you can choose your kernel, but you need to choose the cat4641 project for your projects and homework. All right. So this is a video about how to connect the Hipergator and using a kernel created by us, and you guys have to use this kernel to work on your projects and homework. Thank you for watching.